Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to connect Wi-Fi in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you are using A17 and you want to connect your Wi-Fi network, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your Wi-Fi settings, open your settings, go for connections, and here you will get the Wi-Fi, or you can easily access Wi-Fi settings from your quick settings. Here's the Wi-Fi option, just keep a long press on it, then go for details and it will open your settings. You must have to select the network name which you want to connect and then enter the Wi-Fi password, as I am going to enter the Wi-Fi password of mine, and here just tap on connect. Once you have that, your Wi-Fi will be connected. So that's how you can easily connect to Wi-Fi in your Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.